how to sign up or log in to CamScanner app on mobile. So if you want to sign up or log into the CamScanner app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, assuming you've already downloaded the app, you want to simply go ahead and then open it up, and this is the interface you will see by default. Now what you have to do from here is actually from the very bottom right, you'll find this little me icon. Just tap on the me icon and this is the type of interface you will see. At the top you can see it says sign in to access more features, so you can sign in with Google or your mobile number or your email address right here. So you can tap on this email icon, and over here you just have to enter your email address as well as your password. Once you enter them, you can tap the sign in button to sign into your account. If you have not yet registered a new account, right at the bottom you can see the option at the left side that says register new account. So tap on register a new account button. Again, repeat the same steps. Just enter the email address that you would like to use for your account, and you can also enter your password. Otherwise, a simple thing that you can do is you can also just choose to sign in with your Google account by tapping on the sign in with the Google account option, selecting the Google account that you wish to sign in with, and after you've done that, you'll be able to successfully sign into your CamScanner account. This way you can sign up or log in on the CamScanner app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.